Well, let's begin with Adani saga, and here markets will keep a close eye on moves at Adani shares this week also. Well, today Adani shares are down once again. Some of the group shares have hit overall lower circuit once again, down by 10%. Today also group shares have opened with losses. Empire's shares have taken a hammering. $100 billion in losses have been reported since a scathing report by US research firm Hindenburg that came out on January 24th. Despite a sharp recovery on Friday, market bloodbath in group shares is continuing. It's now too deep for investors to stay calm. Now all eyes will be on earnings release of Indian Empire's firm this week. It's all going to be about debt beyond usual earnings and profits figures. Adani Transmission will kick off financials and bottom line reporting on Monday. It will end with flagship firm's earnings reported on Thursday. Now, between earnings releases, trading in Indian Empire's shares will also be closely watched. Adani versus Hindenburg row has brought to the fore the ugly side of globalization, and global ramifications of the saga are beginning to play out, with reports showing exposure to Adani from more global funds. In India, scrutiny has already gone beyond national regulators, and for the first time, federal government is investigating group's financial statements. Media reports show Indian agencies are fighting each other. The Directorate of Revenue Intelligence is now set to be challenging a customs tribunal's decision in Supreme Court. DRI had previously accused Adani's family members of exports and imports violations. But Customs, Excise and Service Tax Tribunal, they had given Business Empire a clean sheet. Separately, to calm investors, Indian stock market regulator SEBI, it had stepped in on Friday and said financial markets were stable despite hammering in Adani Group stocks. RBI, Central Bank of India, also gave a similar assurance on questions of exposure risks to Indian banks. Narendra Modi government has been under attack from opposition on Adani row, and it is expected to continue today as well. But India's Finance Secretary said Adani issue is a storm in a teacup. While Finance Minister Sitharaman, she said Indian markets are very well regulated and there is nothing to worry about. Now, with Adani's market loss climbing, investors are reaching out to their advisors on what to do next. Now, after groups called off its $2.5 billion share sale and planned bond issues, at least for now, rating agencies have warned value wipeout will make it difficult for group to refinance, at least not easily as it could before. So is Adani's fallout a storm in a teacup? Well, the coming week will give us an idea on that. WION now available in your country. Download the app and get all the news on the move.